Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS Set 2 2025 GA question number 5. Let P1 and P2 denote two arbitrary prime numbers. Which one of the following statement is correct for all value of P1 and P2? And 4 options are given. In 4 options, 4 statements are given. We need to see a counter example for each. If we can get a counter example, then we can prove that that statement is false. Now option A, P1 plus P2 is not a prime number. Suppose P1 equals to 3 and P2 equals to 5. Both are prime number, but P1 plus P2, that is 3 plus 5 equals to 8, which is not a prime number. Is this true for all prime number? Suppose P1 equals to 2 and P2 equals to 3. Then P1 plus P2, it will be 2 plus 3 equals to 5, which is a prime number. But here it's given not a prime number. Means it should be true for all prime number. It's not true. When P1 equals to 2, P2 equals to 3, it's a prime number. That's why option A is false. Next option B, P1 multiplication P2 is not a prime number. This is true for prime number if that number itself and 1 is the factor, then we can say that is a prime number. Suppose P1 multiplied P2, that is x. Okay. So P1, P2, these are two numbers, and 1 and x, these are another two number, right? So you can say x is not a prime number as there are multiple factor. P1, P2 are factor, 1 and x are factor. So option B is true. Next option C, P1 plus P2 plus 1 is a prime number. Let P1 equals to 2, P2 equals to 3. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 6. Is 6 is a prime number? No. So for all P1 and P2, this is not true. It might true for some P1, P2 value, but as it is not true for all and we got a counter example, that's why option C is also false. Next option D, P1 multiplication P2 plus 1 is a prime number. Let P1 3 and P2 5. 3 multiplied 5, 15 plus 1, 16. 16 is a prime number? No, it's not a prime number. Hence, option D is also false as it's not always a prime number. So, we found option A, option C and option D are false while option B is true. That's why answer will be option B. P1 multiplication P2 is not a prime number as P1, P2 are factor, also 1 and x is factor if P1 multiplication P2 is x. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.